Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Leads Leap review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profitable passive affiliate commissions have recently come in. I'm live here in my members area. I'll just refresh the page and show you that I'm just live here in my account. And in this row here, you'll see now my total income is $1,800 and $1,802 in affiliate commissions with Leads Leap. Well, the great thing about this is if I go onto my pro versus free comparison, even as a free member, you can earn monthly recurring commissions, affiliate commissions. So I scroll all the way down here. The left-hand column is the free column. I started out for free, so if it's not within your budget to upgrade, I still recommend setting up a free account. Lots of benefits to having a free account, which we'll come to shortly. And bottom here in this column here, 25% recurring commission. So if you promote Leads Leap as an affiliate and any of your upgrades, any of your referrals upgrade, then you will earn 25% recurring commission. So what you can do is, what I did, I started out for free, promoted the affiliate program, used the tools to earn some commissions, and then when I could afford to upgrade, when I had enough money coming in as a free member with these recurring commissions here, I upgraded to Pro. And as a Pro member, you can get 50% monthly recurring commissions. And on the right hand side here, you'll see there's a lot more benefits to becoming a Pro member. Now, what happens with Leads Leap is to set up your account. There's a link in the description. Click on here, get your free membership. So you just set up a username, email address, first name and a password, and click sign up. And then that'll give you access into that members area. And you're going to get every single thing you need to make money online, including the traffic. If as a free member, you're going to get traffic. So if you want to learn more about Leads Leap, it's been online since 2008 and it constantly and consistently evolves, giving you all the features and tools that you need to become successful. So if you want to know something about it, if you want to know how to get traffic, just click on there and it'll show you 4 ways you can get traffic and generate leads. If you want to learn how to build a list for free and start list building, then you've got the SendSteed List Manager information down here. Now, when you go back into your members area, so set up your free account. I recommend you set up a free account and just have a really good look around this members area and see the potential of what they're offering here. Now, when you do first log in, especially as a beginner, you can get the menus down the left-hand side. You can get overwhelmed by all these features. You're not going to use the majority of what's here when you first start, so don't worry too much about that. Now, if you look up here, let's go back into the dashboard here because there's a tutorial here. First of all, you've got a quick start guide. So these are all links here with all the frequently asked questions. Now over here is tutorial. When you click tutorial, down the left hand side, there's all the other step-by-step text and images. So if you want to learn how to build a list, you click on there and it will teach you step by step how to start building your email list. You can start to build your email list as a free member, and you can broadcast out to your subscribers. If you want to ask a question, just put there's a search window there as well. Now, if you click the link in the description, you'll come to this video tutorial series. It's a Leads Leap training course. There's different learning styles. People learn in different ways. I'm a visual learner, so I like to learn through video. Some people like to learn by reading text or looking at images. So whatever your learning style is, we've got something for both of you. These are all video tutorials, step by step. So every single feature that you'll see in that members area in the menu down the left hand side, there's a video tutorial to teach you how to develop your skills and learn to get the best out of Leads Leap. So give you everything you need to become successful. And so that covers all that. Now let's just have a look at some of the other features. So what I like about Leads Leap, one of my favourite features are what's called share codes. So if you want to start building an email list, if you want to start creating funnels, there are thousands and thousands of Leads Leap members that are willing to share their funnels with you. So if you wanted to, as an example, learn how to get your USA buyers traffic for free and earn thousands in profitable income, then this is my funnel I've created. So there's a share code for the lead capture page, and down here there's a share code for the welcome page. And there's also a share code for the email follow-up series. So all you would do is get these share codes off other members, and you just copy and paste them into Leads Leap. I've done my own video tutorials, but you can even go back into these video tutorials here if you want to use those. And all you do is copy and paste those share codes into Leads Leap, and it will completely clone these funnels. The videos are already in there. You'd have to create any proof, any videos. So if you wanted my funnel on how to get USA buyers traffic for free, and you wanted to learn how to do it, then you would opt into here. But if you want to set the funnel up, you can either use these share codes and pause the video now, or you can just send me an email if you see it's on another video. Now all you would do, you just make a couple of small changes. You would put where these buttons here say click here to join, that's where your affiliate links go. See, whenever you clone a funnel, you've got to do minimal work. You're just going to put your Leads Leap affiliate link in there. So when someone clicks on there to join Leads Leap, then they'll be partnering with you. And if they upgrade, you earn the monthly recurring commissions. So these funnels are great. It's just a really great way for everyone to share what's working online, become successful. You can clone these funnels very quickly and very easily. It doesn't take very long. You can do it in under 10 minutes, and once it's done, it's done. And then over here, I want to talk about the list builder SendSteed, which is part of SendSteed. It's part of Leads Leap. It's all built into one platform. Now the great thing, one of the main reasons I joined Leads Leap was because with the list builder and the autoresponder, you only pay one price for unlimited subscribers. Now we're not here to knock. We're not here to. Just let me get that. Let me change that. My battery's getting low. We're not here to knock other autoresponder prices because other autoresponders, they all work. But the couple of things that I love about the Leads Leap autoresponder, it's one fixed price per month for unlimited subscribers. Other autoresponders, as your list grows, will charge your monthly fee will increase. So that's one of the reasons why I joined. Now also I joined for deliverability. Now you'll see here, if you're going to be using an email autoresponder, you want to get a high deliverability. You don't want your follow-ups and your emails to be going into the promotions folder or into the spam folder. So you'll see here, 53% open rate, 44% open rate, 44% open rate. Now what that means to me is that when these emails are getting sent out, they're getting seen. This is above average open rate. Now it's also an above average click rate. You've got to be getting clicks on your offers. If you're not getting opens, you're not going to get clicks. And if you're not going to get clicks, you're not going to make any money. That's the nature of the industry. So these click-through rates here of 22%, 23%, 22%, these are good click-through rates. So that's another reason why I joined SendSteed and Leads Leap as a pro member, was to get autoresponder follow-ups that go into the inbox. And you start to get clicks and you start to potentially earn commissions. Now I want to show you some proof that the tools, if you go onto my channel, over here and you see all these commissions, then the majority of these I've made by using the Leads Leap tools. So if you look into my Warrior Plus account here, I'm live in the account all the time. Barry Cross, that's my account there. You'll see that I've sold $25,721 in Warrior Plus products. Now, a lot of these products are $5 and $10 products. So I've sold 2,892 products and I've earned $13,000 in commissions. Majority of that is profitable passive commission. But I've done that by using the Leads Leap tools. I've created lead capture pages. I've created welcome pages. I followed up with email autoresponder. So these tools work. I'm just showing you some proof and being transparent with you that these tools actually work. And if you come onto this system here, prosperity marketing system, I started promoting this. It's a $12 a month program, and you'll see here, well, I've now earned over $13,000. This is my playlist on my YouTube channel where I document the whole journey. It's a $12 a month product, but it's got 17 income streams built into it. And I've been in profit now 41 months in a row. But it's a $12 a month product and I've earned over $13,000 with it. But I've done that by creating a lead capture page, a welcome page, and an autoresponder follow-up series using the Leads Leap tools. So just a little bit of proof there that they work. And there's a lot of the information on here. Free lifetime membership, everything's here that you need to become successful. So there will be an income and product disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income claims or any product claims or any guarantees in this video. It is for educational purposes only. And if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more how to make money online videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently on the channel here, I'm doing several new uploads every week, and any questions or comments, please put those in the comments below. My email address is always in the description if you want to contact me direct through email, and that's the email address to reach me on, and I'll reply to you as soon as I can. So I recommend that you just click the link in the description. Oh, it's the wrong page. Where's the, here it is. Click the link in the description, set up a free account, log in, and then come down into the members area here and go through the quick start guide and go through the members area, have a look through the menu and just see all the quality and the that you're going to get with Leads Leap. Even as a free member, you can start to use these tools and become successful and start making money online as a free member. So it's highly recommended. I recommend Leads Leap to all my students. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you. Excuse me. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.